Hello, my name is Dr. Mung. I'm from Manipur. So recently I have completed my fellowship program here in Elevate Clinic. There are some points which I want to talk about my experience while in this Elevate Pain Clinic. Like in India, there's a system going on like in fellowship that you will never get hands-on, then you will just get to see the procedure like that. But in Elevate, it's quite a different situation here. Like you will get a lot of hands-on here, and you will get to learn so much procedure here. So in short, I can say here in Elevate, you will get lots of exposure here. So if you want to do fellowship, Elevate is one of the best hospital here to do your fellowship. And during my stay here, I see a lot of different cases like headache patient comes, neck pain patient comes, cervical instability, back pain, upper back pain, hip pain, all kinds of joint pain and musculoskeletal pains comes here. So here we do a lot of prolotherapy, like for cervical instability we do prolotherapy, and then for other kind of joint pains and other kinds of back pain we do prolotherapy, PRP, buttocks, all these kinds of things we do. So you will get to learn new things from this clinic, and it's quite an experience here also coming here. So Elevate, overall I am happy here that I came here. I did the right thing. You must choose Elevate if you want to know more about prolotherapy and all this kind of other treatment. And lastly, I want to thank all the faculties who are here, like Dr. Javed, Dr. Vikas sir, Dr. Faraz sir, Dr. Santoshi madam, and Dr. Swagat sir. They are quite friendly and they are helpful to me. They supported me in any way, in everything that the best they could, they are giving me. So I'm happy and I'm thankful to them. And I also express my gratitude to all the Elevate teams, members, everybody. Thank you.